Welcome to this English listening quiz. Listen carefully and choose the correct picture. Stage 1. Objects. Book. Pen. This is used for writing. It has ink inside. Pen. Chair. Table. This is for sitting. It has 4 legs. Chair. Clock. Lamp. It shows the time. It hangs on the wall. Clock. Door. Key. It opens locks. It is made of metal. Key. Phone. Computer. You use this to make calls. It is small and portable. Phone. Backpack. Hat. It carries books. You wear it on your back. Backpack. Window. Mirror. You see your face in this. It is made of glass. Mirror. Fan. Radio. This makes air move. It has blades that spin. Fan. Cup. Plate. You drink water from this. It is small and round. Cup. Car. Bicycle. You pedal this to move. It has 2 wheels. Bicycle. Stage 2. Fruits and vegetables. Apple. Banana. This fruit is red. It is round and sweet. Apple. Potato. Carrot. This vegetable is orange. It is long and thin. Carrot. Strawberry. Grapes. This fruit is small and red. It has tiny seeds. Strawberry. Garlic. Onion. This vegetable is round and white. It has a strong smell. Garlic. Pineapple. Watermelon. This fruit is green outside and red inside. It has black seeds. Watermelon. Cucumber. Pepper. This vegetable is green and long. You can eat it raw. cucumber, mango, lemon. This fruit is yellow and sour. It is small and round. Lemon, eggplant, tomato. This is red and soft. It is often used in salads. Tomato, pear, peach. This fruit is green and sweet. It is shaped like a teardrop. Pear, broccoli, corn. This vegetable is yellow. It grows on a cob. Corn. Stage 3. Animals. Dog, cat. This animal says, meow. It has whiskers. Cat, lion, tiger. This animal is called the king of the jungle. It has a mane. Lion, sheep, cow. This animal gives us milk. It says, moo. Cow, fish, bird. This animal swims in water. It has fins. Fish, turtle, rabbit. This animal hops and eats carrots. It has long ears. Rabbit, horse, camel. This animal runs fast. People ride it. Horse, snake, frog. This animal jumps and lives near water. It says, ribbit. Frog, elephant, monkey. This animal is big and has a long trunk. Elephant, goose, duck. This bird lives on water. It says, quack. Duck, butterfly, bee. This insect makes honey. It is yellow and black. Bee. Stage 4. Professions. Doctor, nurse. This person helps sick people. She works in a hospital. Nurse, teacher, police officer. This person teaches students. She works in a school. teacher, chef, farmer. This person cooks food. He works in a kitchen. Chef, driver, pilot. This person flies planes. He works in the sky. Pilot, firefighter, soldier. This person stops fires. He is very brave. Firefighter, veterinarian, dentist. This person fixes teeth. He uses special tools. Dentist, mechanic, builder. This person fixes cars. He uses their hands. Mechanic, musician, artist. This person paints pictures. He uses colors. Artist, cashier, waiter. This person works in a shop. She takes money. Cashier, barber, writer. This person writes books. She uses a pen or computer. Writer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends.